Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model Winnie the Pooh character, Winnie the Pooh cartoon character in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our Winnie the Pooh character model in Blender. So this is our render image. This is our render image. This is very easy character to model, Winnie the Pooh. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.